In this video, we'll see how to manage cloud identities in Office 365. Cloud identities are users that are managed in the cloud and not synchronized with your local Active Directory. Once you're logged into your Office 365 tenant, navigate on the left panel and expand the Users menu. Go to Active Users. And here we have a list of all our users currently in the tenant. To add a user, click on Add a User. Enter some information about your user, first name, last name. By pressing Tab on your keyboard, you will have a suggestion for the display name. Choose a username, select a domain. You can have your custom domain to choose from. Select a location, fill some information about your user. For the password, you can choose between an auto-generated password or if you want to create a password yourself. If you want your user to change the password when they first sign in, leave the box ticked. Under roles, you can assign different permissions to your user. Do you want him to be a user, a global admin, or even a customized administrator, where you give him some special permissions like a SharePoint admin or simply an Exchange admin? I'm going to leave it as a user. Then you need to choose what licenses you want to give to this user. You can expand each menu to give licenses individually, or you can also just toggle on and off a full plan. Once you're happy, click on Add. Now the user has been created. You can send the password in an email by entering the email address of the user. And once you're finished, you can click on Send Email and close. If you want to modify some properties of a user that has been created already, simply select your user and choose whatever you wish to modify. In this example, I'm going to modify the licenses and the signing status. Click on Edit. I'm going to assign a Windows 10 license and I'm going to remove the Enterprise Mobility. Click on Save. Close. Click on Edit for the signing status and choose Block if you want your user not to be able to sign in, and save. You also have more information when you block a user. Make sure to review them and click Close. Notice that the user is now blocked in Office 365. If you wish to delete your user, simply select your user. And here you have the option to delete the user. Just a couple of things before going ahead and deleting a user. Once you delete the user, you have 30 days to restore the account for this particular user. So make sure that you have some processes in place regarding the OneDrive and mailbox data. You'll be able to restore any of them within those 30 days, but after those 30 days, all the data will be permanently deleted. And click on Delete User. Confirm that you want to delete this user. Once finished, click on Close. This is how you manage cloud identities in Office 365. Thank you for watching.